set lit up on the bay in Coronado. We would drive across the bridge in my Brady Bunch green auto, and I say to myself, my life can't get much better than. I'm just gonna do it like I got to do right.
Bump, girl.
My life can't get much better than. I got to do it just to make it through right. So my life can't get much better than. And then my parents got divorced, and of course we moved in with my mother, me, my two sisters, and my brother. We love each other, but the world got cold, and then it took my older sister, God bless her soul. Now my childhood went on, and my friends, they come and go. I remember in September when we all went back to school. You had your fresh friends on, dressed like $1,000,000. I kicked it casual as usual with all black chucks and all shucks. You called them bubblegum shoes, but now we're doing food stands, ain't got much to choose. See, we didn't have a lot, but we for sure had each other. And my favorite superhero was my loving older brother. So my life can get much better than. I'm just gonna do it like I got to do right.
Life mine can get much better than.
I got to do it just to make it through right.
Life mine can get much better than.